What's going on, guys? This is Nick from Budget Bill Garage, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some brake flaring with a bit of a better tool than the one from Harbor Freight. Alright, so the tool we're going to be using today is from Eastwood. It's what you would call an off-the-car flaring tool, so it's a little difficult to do it if your brake lines are already on it, but this is a much better tool than the one I showed you in the previous video. This will make perfect flares every single time, even if you're not good at it, even if you've never done it. If you read the directions, it's super straightforward. It'll be perfect every single time. Drawbacks. It is around 200 bucks. You can get it for like $189. I think I've seen is the very lowest, but honestly, if you're going to be doing a lot of cars, this is the tool. This is my favorite tool as far as off-the-car tools. Let me go ahead and show you what we got here, though. Using the Eastwood flaring tool is really very straightforward and very simple. Once you have it locked in the vise like I do, you want to make sure you set your wheel to operation 0. Once you do that, open up the hold-down bar. Take your 3/16 45-degree steel block. You can see it'll say right here. Half of that goes in the bottom. Then you're going to need your actual brake line. Make sure you remember to put your actual fitting on it. If you didn't do the other end, don't worry about it. You can put it on other, like I did. I'm just using this for demonstrations. Lay this in here. Don't worry about getting it perfectly lined up. That's what operation 0 is for. It's okay if it sticks out like that. It's fine. Doesn't matter. It will line itself up. Set it down. Set the top block on. And close the latch. Slide the pin in. At this point, everything should be loose. Snug it down just until it touches. It should still move freely. Then, on operation 0, go ahead and close it all the way up. Now it's exactly aligned where it needs to be. You're going to lock down the bar. Now we're actually ready to start flaring. You're going to want to use some sort of oil or some sort of grease on any of these that you're going to do. It just helps them to cut, helps them to live longer. Again, we're using the 3/16, so we're going to go over to 3/16 operation 1 and rotate that in. Once you have it lined up, go ahead and pull your bar till it bottoms out just like that. That is your first flare. Now for the second flare, you're going to go to operation 2 where it says 3/16. So roll that over to operation 2 3/16 and crank that down, and that is it. The flare is done. Like I said, this is extremely easy. It'll make your flare. Alright guys, so let me know what you think. Do you like the tool? Do you think it's worth $200? Honestly, this, like I said before, this is my favorite one as far as off-the-car stuff. There are some that go on the car. There's some pneumatic ones. There's a lot of different ones out there, but I like this one because it's easy and it's pretty much perfect every single time. So tell me what you think. Have you used it? Do you want it? Is it worth the $200? Other than that, that's it for this episode. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode.